Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make another patriotic wreath, but this time we're going to be using yarn. This wreath is a little bit more complex, but is going to look beautiful in your home. Ready? Let's go! And the materials that we are going to use are a 14-inch frame, red, white, and blue yarn, scissors, hot silicone, pipe cleaners, ribbons, a wooden star, and sun for the July branches. Okay, and we are going to start by weaving the blue ribbon through the frame. Leave a 3 to 4 inch piece out, which we will use at the end to hang the wreath. This process will take a little bit long because we have to weave a quarter of the frame in the blue. So you will have to pull the entire yarn every time. Next, we are going to sew the ends together. I prefer doing it this way over using the hot silicones because with time it tends to crystallize and it might start falling apart. For the rest of the wreath, we are going to alternate between the red and the white, and don't forget to sew every time you change colors. I use about 20 inches of each color. That should weave about 3 times around the frame. This part will go faster because we are pulling short pieces throughout the frame. And now that we're finished weaving the yarn, we are going to sew the red color to itself and cut the excess piece. And with our blue piece, we are going to make a loop around the top wire of the frame for support. And last but not least, we are going to clean the wreath and adjust the yarn to make it look perfect. Okay, and for this part of the video, we are going to make the bow that goes on our wreath. I'm using the Easy Bow Maker. This tool makes it super easy to make bows by keeping it in place. I am using a 2.5 inch ribbon, and I start by holding it and twisting it in the middle, so it is always facing up. Every loop I make is 1 inch shorter so we can appreciate the bottom ribbon. The second and the third ribbon are 1.5 inches, followed by the same technique. Once done, I use a pipe cleaner to loop around the bow to secure it. Then I use a piece of ribbon which I glue to cover the pipe cleaner and make it look great. Last thing, I cut the tips in a 45 angle by bringing it together in the middle, then burning them to prevent the ribbon from coming apart. I will be making a video on how to make the bow without using the tool. Now my favorite part is putting together my wreath. We are going to start by getting our star ready by adding pipe cleaners on each corner, which I am making sure the color matches so we don't have to worry about it later. I like to do it this way because, as I told you before, with time the hot silicone tends to crystallize, and that's when our decorations start becoming apart, or at least the bigger pieces. Once we have this part done, I'm going to add my bow using the same technique with my pipe cleaner and a little piece of felt just to make sure it stays in place. The last part will be my 4th of July branches, just to make it a little bit more festive. And that way, our wreath is going to be just perfect for 4th of July or any other great patriotic celebrations. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I will be leaving in the comments the link to go to my Etsy shop so you guys can browse a little bit and purchase any of my reads. See you next time. Bye.